Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of Parade in downtown Kingston. Now the government has plans to upgrade the bus park at North Parade and South Parade. So the JUTC uses South Parade and North Parade to load their buses. But the bus park is literally just a sidewalk. There is no covered bay, there is no proper facility. So the government has plans to upgrade these areas to put in canopies or a covered area so that persons can have shelter from the sun and the rain when they're loading these buses. Okay, coming up on the left is the South Parade area that the JUTC uses. And there you can see the buses are just parked out in the open. So when it rains, it's a serious problem. And then as we go around to North Parade, you're going to see the same thing. Actually, at North Parade, they actually park in the road. In the road. And as you can see, Parade is a very busy area. It's a commercial area. It's actually the busiest place in downtown Kingston. And that's the Sir William Grant Park on the right. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the JUTC plans to do down here. The construction of a new bus bay by the Jamaica Urban Transit Company in Parade, downtown Kingston, represents a significant step in the modernization of Jamaica's public transportation infrastructure. Alright, I'm just going to break here and show you. There you can see the buses on the left, just parked. No covering. On the right, there you can see the buses parked in the road. This is supposed to be a 3-lane road, but the buses occupy the lane on the right. And that's the Ward Theatre on the left. Okay. This project is set to transform Parade, a bustling transit hub located in the heart of downtown Kingston, into a more efficient and commuter-friendly space. The initiative is not only vital for improving transportation services, but also serves as a key element in the broader urban redevelopment efforts in the city. Parade has long been the epicenter of transportation in downtown Kingston. Situated near St. William Grant Park and surrounded by vibrant commercial and cultural landmarks, it connects commuters to various destinations across Kingston and other parishes. The heavy volume of passengers and vehicles passing through the area daily has, however, led to chronic congestion and overcrowding. These challenges have made the construction of a modern bus bay essential for improving the functionality and aesthetics of the area. The new JUTC bus bay is designed to address several critical issues. 1. Streamlining operations. The upgraded facility will enhance the efficiency in loading and offloading passengers, minimizing delays and reducing traffic bottlenecks. 2. Enhancing commuter experience. By incorporating amenities such as shelters, benches, and proper signage, the project aims to improve the comfort and safety of passengers. 3. Urban development. The bus bay is part of a larger effort to revitalize downtown Kingston, aligning with initiatives by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, the Urban Development Corporation, and other stakeholders. These projects seek to create a cleaner, more organized urban environment that encourages economic activity and investment. The construction of the new facility will have a transformative impact on downtown Kingston. Improved traffic flow in and around Parade will alleviate the long-standing congestion issues, benefiting not only commuters, but also local businesses. Additionally, the project's emphasis on modern design and amenities will make public transportation more appealing, potentially increasing ridership and reducing the reliance on private vehicles. this shift could contribute to a greener, more sustainable urban environment. In the broader context, the JUTC Bus Bay project is a testament to Jamaica's commitment to modernizing its urban infrastructure. As part of a wave of development initiatives, including upgrades to the Norman Manley International Airport and a northern parking garage project in downtown Kingston, this initiative reflects the government's vision of a more organized, efficient, and prosperous capital city. The construction of the JUTC Bus Bay in Parade, downtown Kingston, is a critical investment in Jamaica's public transportation network. By addressing long-standing issues of congestion and inefficiency, the project will significantly enhance the commuting experience for thousands of Jamaicans. Moreover, as part of a larger urban revitalization strategy, it will contribute to the transformation of downtown Kingston into a modern, vibrant, and economically dynamic urban center. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.